YouTubes, how is it? Hope you're all good and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be a painting video. It's going to be just 2K direct gloss painting video. So yeah, be a quick one, this one. Wow, knowing me, I'll probably still end up having a lengthy video out of it. I can't seem to do short ones, and I'd never be able to do shorts. It's impossible for me. I can't fit it all in. Just my waffling would be too long for a short. Anyway, this is what we're doing. It's a bit of an old car, actually. I think it's a Mark IV. It's got to be Mark IV. Yeah, it's a Mark IV Golf. It's a GTi, I think. Is it Mark IV? You have to tell me. It can't be a 3. It's about a 2002. So yeah, it's a Golf GTi Mark IV, I think. And it's in for the bonnet to be painted. Had a couple of really weird high spots there. Don't know how they happened, and I really struggled to get one of them down. A couple of small other little dents and a few stone chips, and nothing major. So the bonnet, the front bumper and the mouldings, but the mouldings have been clipped back in now, they've been repaired. That was a bit tatty, faded paint, flaking paint, chips and scratches, usual blemishes that you'd get on an old front bumper. And the rear bumper again was just a little bit tired and weathered, and a little bit of damage here and there, and the usual loading scratches from loading your boot across the top. So it's all been repaired and prepped. I didn't get any footage of that. So all the primer and everything has been, and the panels have been finished off in 500 grit dry. Same with the bumper. I was just going to go straight on with the colour. So it's just gloss black on this car. So the colour code's LO41 or 041. It's quite an old Volkswagen black. I think it goes back to the 60s, that colour code on the Beetles and stuff like that. That had 041 or LO41, 041. So yeah, Brilliant Swartz is called. It's almost black tint off the scheme, actually. Well, I've done a yellower shade on this because the standard shade was just like just black straight off the scheme in OC, and it looked probably a little bit too jet black to me. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing this in what I normally do all my direct gloss jobs in, Mipa OC. Be doing it in just be 2 coats. I've said before on other videos, I over thin it, so it's 2 to 1. So it'd be Mipa OC 2 to 1 with HS25 hardener, and I over thin it by about another 10%, so it's 5% thinners, and I do about 15, between 12 and 15. So yeah, that'll be it. And the gun I use on this, I'm going to use another gun that I may not have used on the channel just to mix it up a little bit more. I'm going to use my Satajet 5000B RP, and it's got a 1.2 on it, so that's what it's going to be going on with. Yeah, I don't think I've used that gun on the channel. So there we go, there's another variety of gun that I'm going to be using. So that being said, I'm going to get it all degreased, get it blown off and tacked off, and we'll get some paint on it.